These are sensitive topics that you will be asking to understand the behaviors of doers and non-doer. Most people will sit with you and immediately tell you that they are doing the correct behavior. Do not start by asking if you are a doer or non-doer, as they will typically say at the outset that they are doers. This doesn't mean that they are, but since there is so much stigma attached to these topics, they get nervous. To make an interviewee comfortable, introduce yourself and your role, as well as the purpose of the interview. Ask them how they are doing, ask about their day, show genuine interest, and remember to be kind and empathetic. When they are talking about sensitive topics, make sure that you are engaging, listening appropriately, not checking your phone. Sit in a way that ensures you are providing non-verbal and verbal communication that says you are listening to them and what they say is important, that you are open to hearing what they are saying. Once they are comfortable, they will start to be open and give you the information you need.